This is how you can increase your views and make more money with your blog. If you don't know how to start your blog yet, check out the video in the description. So, you have decided to make your own blog. Congratulations, I'm proud of you. You're now following your dreams. The sky is the limit. Don't feel bad about yourself because you won't get much traffic on your blog at first. That's normal. Consistency is the key. Never give up. Quick tip before we start. Your blog would attract more viewers if it's focused on just one niche. For example, a blog about cars where all the blog is focused on cars, not just a generic blog where you have one post about cars and another about solar panels and another about a TV show. The viewer will get confused and leave before watching any other of your articles. That being said, let's get back to our video and answer the question: how do you make more money with your blog without using Google AdSense? Number 1. Affiliate products. What this means is that you can promote a product in your article or on your banner on the side of the article, and every time someone buys that product, you get a cut from that sale. You don't need to worry about shipping, manufacturing the product, or anything else. Finding a product to promote and get a commission of the sale is actually pretty easy. You can go on websites like ClickBank or Digistore24, which already has tons of products waiting to be promoted. Number 2. Paid links. You can include special links in your articles and get paid every time someone clicks that link, because they'll have to see some ads before they can see the actual link that you wanted to show them. Let's say you have a car blog and you write an article on the brand new Toyota, and you want to leave a link at the end of the article to the vehicles page on Toyota's website. Instead of giving the link, you can put an ad link that will force your viewers to watch an ad before they can be redirected to that Toyota website, and you'll get paid for every click. There are plenty of websites to give you those kinds of ad links. Some of the most popular ones are Linkvertise, Adfly, Shrinkhorn. Number 3. Sponsored products. Once you get enough traffic, you can get companies to pay you directly for promoting their products. You can either get contacted through your contact methods you display on your blog, or you can email the companies yourself in search of one that wants to work with you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you know any other monetization ways, please let me know in the comments below.